Hi, this is Dave, and I'm wishing everybody a happy New Year's. This is my first video of the new year, so thought I'd show you a nice little easy to pull fifth wheel. It's going to be dry weight under 7,500 pounds. It's going to be about 31 feet long. This coach is kind of what I call a couples coach. There's no bunks. Do get some storage, solid steps, electric or gas, water heater, huge awning on it, all the way over the door. That's a little compartment there. It's got power stabilizers in the rear and then up front jacks. It does have this little outdoor kitchen, really cute. You get a ladder. It's wired for backup camera. This is a 2023 257Ress. You get an outdoor shower. There's the water hookups, handily above that. So let's go see the inside. So the solid steps, here we go. Friction hinge door. So you get this nice dinette. And of course that makes it down to a bed, and you'll have storage underneath that. I like their lighting, really cool. You get this beautiful Thomas Paine entertainment recliners. Storage above that. The very back of the coach, you get nice storage and then a nice big window. Right across from the recliners, you get the where you can put a television if you want, and sound system, and a nice fireplace. You get a 12-volt Everchill fridge. Nice size, and it's raised up so it's easy to get into. 21-inch oven, 3-burner stovetop. Microwave. It's got a single sink. You got a cover over it. Helps with the counter space. And then drawers and another door there for storage. Now going up into, you're only going to have this very short area to step up. Very easy. So the bathroom's to the left. You get a nice big shower stall. Does have a heat duct and an air duct in here, and you do get nice medicine cabinet, and you get the stool's nice sized with a very big sink. Across from that, you get the wardrobe, and it actually is really good sized. It's one thing about a fifth wheel, you get more storage room usually. Little areas for, maybe you can put your towels in there for the bathroom. So queen size bed, room on each side for a CPAP. Get storage above and to the side, 2 windows, and they already have a mount for your television, and very nice. This unit has 1 AC, but it's wired, pre-wired for 2. So if you wanted to add another one, you could do that. This is the 257Ress 2023 Puma. And like I said, nice lightweight. This is in Thackerville, Oklahoma. If you're interested, message me. I would love to tell you more about it. And it's at a heck of a price. So hope to hear from you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again.